In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your video upload crystal clear using Handbrake. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or someone just starting out, ensuring your video uploads maintain their clarity is crucial for creating engaging content. So let's dive in. First off, if you don't already have Handbrake installed on your computer, you'll want to download and install it. Head over to the official Handbrake website and follow the instructions to get it up and running. This software is completely free and it's a powerful tool for video conversion and compression. Once you've installed Handbrake, go ahead and launch the application. When you open Handbrake, the first thing you'll need to do is import your video file. You have two options here. You can either click on the open source button on the interface and navigate to the file you want to upload, or simply drag and drop your file directly into the Handbrake window. This makes it quite flexible depending on your personal preference. After your video is loaded, navigate to the video tab. Here you can choose the right quality setting for your video. Understanding these settings is essential for maximizing the visual clarity of your upload. One key feature to understand is CRF, or constant rate factor. This is a quality-based encoding method where lower CRF values mean higher quality, but they also result in larger file sizes. For HD videos, a CRF between 19 to 23 often provides a good balance between quality and file size. Next, consider the average bitrate setting, which allows you to specify the desired average bitrate for your video. Remember, higher bitrates generally result in better quality videos, but at the cost of larger file sizes. Always consider what balance suits your needs best, especially if you're working with limited storage or bandwidth. Let's also talk about resolution. Depending on your source video, resolutions like 480p, 720p, 1080p, and 4K may require different CRF ranges to maintain optimal quality. Always consider your source resolution to make informed choices here. If you want to keep the original resolution, make sure your output settings match it. Alternatively, you can adjust the dimensions to upscale or downscale based on your needs. Before wrapping up, ensure to check the web optimized box. This crucial setting optimizes your video for compatibility with web browsers and streaming platforms, ensuring efficient playback. Lastly, when choosing the container format, opt for MP4 for maximum compatibility across various platforms. Once you've dialed in all your settings and you're satisfied, click Start Encode to kick off the conversion process. Handbrake will process your video with the configurations you've selected, giving you a final product ready for smooth, crystal clear uploads. And that's it. Now you know how to make your video uploads crystal clear using Handbrake.